Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this Axloie wireless earbuds Sport upgraded 2020. Yeah, the listing says Bluetooth 5.0 headphone, true wireless premium deep bass IPX7 waterproof, 25 hours of playtime. Of course, not the single earbuds, but the whole thing, the whole set with the cradle, in-ear TWS stereo earphones with charging case for running, gym, workout. They are listed for around, I think, $35–40 in this area. And they have pretty good reviews. Yeah, it's a well-known brand. I have tested already some Axloie earbuds and they have been doing really a good job. I just lost one and I thought, yeah, maybe I'll try this one here. Do we have some information on the box? Not much. The good thing is really they have a website, so with the cheapest headphones, yeah, usually don't get a website, you don't get support, you don't get warranty. So this is a little bit a different thing and the price is still very low. So let's open the package and see what we get here. They are nicely protected here in the box. Really nice box, by the way. Here also some kind of protection. The cradle is definitely on the larger side, but of course also the earbuds are on the larger size with these hooks here. But if you want to have something really stable, like for fitness, gym, when you're sweating, doing crazy stuff, then you have no other option than going with the hooks. I mean, all the other earbuds which just have this Apple style, or the really small ones where you just have the more or less the button, they are stable as long as you are not sweating. But the problem is always when you are really sweating. I mean, it takes a while till you're sweating in the ears, but after some time, when you're really doing a tough workout or so, or living in the heat like down here in Florida in the summer, there's no way you are not sweating in your ears, and over time they will get loose and drop and you can break them or lose them. So here we have some more stuff. I guess charging cable. Yeah, no big deal. Let's see what it is. Yeah, it's not only the charging cable, it's also some spare ear tips. Yeah, we get a lot of them, and I see that there are already ear tips here, so we get a full set of spare ear tips, different sizes. It's not a huge difference of sizes, but I see here definitely smaller ones and a little bit larger ones here, and even probably medium. So looks like we get a full replacement set. That's nice. Here we get micro USB cable. Yeah, this is still like almost a standard, unfortunately, but we get 24 months of warranty. That's not bad. To activate warranty, contact us within 14 days. Yeah, that's really cool. Here same thing in other languages. Then the user manual. I'm going to show you the full manual because this can be really important. Yeah, it's not only about the specs, it's also, yeah, you can see different languages here. It's also regarding special functions, and especially when you need to reset such earbud. It can be really tricky to reset. I hope we can find such an information here. User guide. And we have the binaural mode, mono mode, mode switch, how to reset. Yeah, that's the thing here. I hope you can see that, and I hope it's really focusing so you can see this area. That's the really most important thing here. If you need to reset the pairing, then you have to hold, I think, something for 10 seconds or so. Make sure that you have this, especially when you have problems with the connection and losing connection. You cannot reconnect. You buy a new phone, or you just got it used for somebody else and you cannot connect. You need to reset. Here you have the control, and maybe also, yeah, here we have the specs, and here some contact information. It's a little bit tough to see, very small, but I still hope you can see that. If you're going to the highest resolution 1080p, put in pause on every page, you can see everything here. So yeah, that's it. Let's take them out of the cradle and see how they look. Yeah, really nice. I would say really nice style. You can see that here. Here we have some protection which we have to remove. That's the covering the charging pins. It's really important, otherwise you won't be able to charge them here. So probably this will then also activate the earbuds when you have them here inside. Of course they will then charge automatically. So make sure when you take them out of the box for the first time, you are ready here with your Bluetooth settings, and so because they won't be in connection mode for all the time. I mean, of course, usually they will be available for a couple of minutes. So let's see if we find them. Yeah, Axloie going or join or whatever that is. You have to allow for some contact and history. Let's see how easy this is. Connected, yeah. This is a message which I got already from other new earphones. I have tested this option with my last earbuds, with and without this option, and I haven't found any difference. So I think I go with the default setting. Connected battery level 90%. So I'm pretty sure the only way to find out about how much battery charge you have is here in the Bluetooth settings. So I'm going to put them on, and I'm going to listen for a while, like with some deep bass sound and also some voice, like from YouTubers. And I'm also going to record some audio sample. I'm going to make a phone call and record the voice, because there's a microphone here built in. I don't know where's the opening. Yeah, here's probably the opening. So we are going to see how good the quality of the microphone is. That's really important for you if you are planning to make phone calls with these things. So after that I should be able to tell you how comfortable it is, how good the microphone is, and how good the wearing comfort is, and sound and everything. Yeah, okay, here I'm back after testing for around half an hour, and it was just disappointing. Yeah, it's crazy. I've never seen such horrible earbuds. I don't know if it's just me or I got a lemon, or I don't know. There are so many things which didn't work. I mean, I had them on at the beginning, connected them, and was listening to some deep bass sound on YouTube, and it was quite okay, but I was already feeling some pain. I mean, it's possible to get deep bass sound, but only when you have them really deep into your ears. And they have a really strange shape here, the ear tips. They are pretty long, and at the tip, yeah, here around this, in this area, they are very hard. So they are very, very uncomfortable, and I was feeling a lot of pain, especially when you have to press the buttons. These buttons here, by the way, these are not sensor buttons. If you think they are sensor buttons, they look like sensor buttons, because when you press at the beginning, you can't feel any resistance, or like that they are moving. So you think they are sensor buttons, but they are not. You really have to push them, and they are really hard to push. They are this is the hardest button which I've ever seen, and you will really push these things deep into your ears. And when you're pushing so hard that they are working, you will push these things so deep into your ears, it will definitely hurt. I've been trying with all the different ear tips. The large ones have been too large, the small ones have been too small. Medium would be okay, but they have this strange shape which goes really deep into the ears, and they have this really hard area which really hurts a lot. I have never had such uncomfortable earbuds. It's really insane, man. I mean, they have great functions with the volume going up and down when you long press, but yeah, it's just not working for me. And also the one on the right side, by the way, the right one is here on the left, and the left one is here stored on the right side. It's also a weird thing. I mean, I have seen these things with other earbuds, but usually when you have the small earbuds, the left one is on the left, the right one is on the right side. The one on the right side has disconnected, and I turned it on and off a couple of times and never connected to the left one or to the phone again, so I didn't have any sound. So I stopped this thing. I mean, it's blinking, it's turned on, it confirmed. When you long press, you can turn it off and then long press again, and it will say just like Axloie or something like that. I think that's the only thing which you will hear. That's actually the good thing. But when you have this disconnected every now and then, or a lot of times, and this button here, I mean, so uncomfortable ear tips, and the button which is almost impossible to push unless you push so hard that you hurt your ears. It's just not working. I stopped this thing. I mean, there are so many great earbuds around. There's no need to mess around with this thing here, hurt your ears, and that's no fun. I mean, you can really achieve some deep bass sound. Yeah, okay, I have to admit, they are not looking bad. Even for the size, I mean, they are definitely on the larger side, but they have made them in a really nice shape. So I've been watching this thing in the mirror, and I had to admit, yeah, okay, that was not bad, but it doesn't help when it's actually not working. Only the style on its own, that's not enough. It really has to work, and it has to work comfortable, and it only provides deep bass sound when they are perfect and deep in your ears. I have seen different ones which are much better, and you don't have to push them so deep into your ears that they hurt, that you get deep bass sound. There are so many much better options. So here I have just two recommendations. I mean, the ball tunes, these are the small size, but you get also the ball tune, the black with the red ring, and the AirPod style. They have some AirPod style which are really awesome, and I've tested these things from ball tune, and ball tune also works all the time, no problem. I will put down the link to this one and also to this one into the description, so you can check them out and order them right from there. So J5, this one I have tested just recently. Awesome, really nice. You can see different shape here, total different shape, much more comfortable. These things, that's really awesome. That's good. That's good stuff, not this thing here. So yeah, I'm finished here. I'm not keeping testing these things. I don't want to waste my and your time even more. And yeah, I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or maybe other opinions on that, just write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.